Okay guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna doing some random stuff in Fortnite Battle Royale. And I'm doing like a little bit of a different video today. So today I'm gonna put my head cam, my face cam, on to here. And now those aren't work, but if I move my chair down a little bit more, there, that should be good for you guys. You guys can see what I see. So, like, you can see my desk setup, which is really messy. I have right here, which is showing exactly what you guys see. It's logging me in right now. So, okay, so right now, new game mode in the game, Summer Splash LTM, Solid Gold is in. You guys might want to know what skins I have, but I have a few different ones: Deadpool, Hybrid, my first skin on this account. I have Frozen Dog Ops, Peely, Codename Elf, Recon, Point Patroller, Guild, Iris, Fishstick, and I also have Frozen Fishstick and Zero, so, but I use this as my lane 1. I'm just gonna go and do Solid Gold, which is duos as of right now, on Phil. I'm gonna see what challenges I have to do for Aquaman. Catch different types of fish in a single match. So that could be like flopper and small fry. Logging in to the match right now. So guys, never mind. Let's just get into this match, and let's see who gets into our match with us. Hello? I don't think this guy has a mic. Imagine first weapon getting is a pump. It would suck for somebody to have a pistol as the first one, but I bet you that there's gonna be people. What's up? Sure. I rarely win my first game of the day. And I created a new way to live stream and make YouTube videos. Yeah, you take a camera, you put the bottom piece, that you make sure that you put it under your headphones, and then it will show pretty much what you see. Okay, I dropped the worst weapons in the game. There's a burst here if you want. Ooh. I don't know why I keep on saying ooh and solid gold. It's like it's pretty obvious. It's gonna be a gold weapon. I don't know if anybody else came here. There is? Yeah, I see them. I don't see them, but I see their builds. It's like I'm so used to rarely getting a gold weapon that this just doesn't make sense to me. I have a golden RPG. I have an RPG. You want to push? I have a launch pad. They're right over there. I'm gonna take the sniper if that's fine. Okay. Ready? I'm gonna launch pad. They're fighting another team. They're down here. They're down here. I'm gonna come from behind. I'm gonna come from behind. Hit one. Got one low. Knocked one. Got another one knocked. I see him. Nice. Let's go. Yup. All four of them. I don't know if I want the golden RPG though. Yo, wait, do you want to have the golden RPG? Because I don't think I have like the real good accuracy for it. I'm not too good. I can pick that up. I'll pick up the grenade launcher. There's so many mats. Well, it looks. So a two burst. Yeah. I really wish that the attack did more damage because it's like I have to hit him like 5 times before he'll die because like it just doesn't make sense. It's like with a pump you can just shoot them twice and they're dead. With attack, well, I have the combat. You know what, actually you can have the scar. You can have the scar if you want. Yeah, here. That's yours. Yay, the best weapon in the game. Legendary pistol. People coming from a helicopter. They're going toward Lazy. We can like try to go right over here and just wait for them. Me too. I'm gonna stick with my combat shotgun. Cause it's like, I like that it has a long range. Wait a minute. If solid gold is back, no, I shouldn't do that. I'm gonna go double proximity grenade launcher. These kids are gonna get destroyed. Aerial assault. There's almost no way of surviving. But I have a feeling that some other people are gonna come up with this idea. Really? Oh, for the 4th of July. They're doing fireworks. That's kind of cool. That's cool. But can't that give away your location? So, the team I saw that was in a chopper was near here. Don't you have you have a sniper, right? I really wish they had like binoculars. Yo, I see people. I see people. I see one in the back. Oh. I can't get close enough to grenade. I can't get close enough. Whoa, whoa. Where? I don't see them. Oh, I see them, I see them. They're right behind that tree. Yeah. They're gonna have to come to us for zone. Run to zone, run to zone. Keep going to zone. I have band-aids. Right here, right here. I'll take them too. We're gonna barely make it. Yeah, I'm gonna go over here. Here, in here, in here. Right here. Dude, I see a team with the boat. Hey, 125 shield. Knocked one. Knocked one from the chopper. I'm gonna try to rain terror. I'm gonna try to rain terror. I need to get higher. I need to get higher. Raining terror. I overshot them. Got one low. One guy's got dynamite or something. No! Whew. Knocked one. Run, run, run. Just run. Dude, team right here. I don't have any meds. I'm reloading my Reign of Terror. Dude. Yeah, yeah, I need to get here. I need to get here. I need to get there. Come on. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it in. If we swim, we might be able to make it in. But still, we're in need of meds. Dude, I just saw a medikit. Go, go, go. Yes, go, 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 go. Let's go. Dude, you got another person with a boat right behind you. I'm firing at him. I'm coming. Yo, I'm coming. Launch pad, launch pad. We need to kill this guy and hopefully not die. Wait, he's right here. Okay, nice. I need to pop this med kit. I'll cover your back and on top. This is so freaky. And we're gonna have to go to zone right after this. I'm just gonna go with one proximity grenade launcher. Actually, since I don't have many meds, I can go with two. There's a team flying in. They flew in. They're going past. Yeah, right there, right there. Don't shoot. Don't shoot at them. We need to just we need to rotate to zone. Can you mark where they are? Because I might try to flank them. They're right there. I'm gonna try to go around. I'm coming. I'm coming around. You're the guys near. I'm gonna sneak up on him. It kind of does. Somebody got him. Okay, nice. No medkit. There's another team shooting at him, I thought. Oh, my fault. My. That was probably you, but. Yeah, that team over there. Yeah, they're in a fight. We need to go up near those rocks. And then we need to wait and then just have people come to us for zone. Whoa, I just got sniped at. Yo, I see him. He has proximity grenade launcher. No! Oh, no! There's another guy coming on us. Another guy. They're not going to worry about us. There's another team. Ah. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video today.